Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to change the login screen background image using a custom file in Linux Mint. This instantly copies your personal image into the protected system directory, allowing your login window to display your custom wallpaper without any access permission errors. Open your file manager and find the specific image you want to use for your login background. Right-click your image file and select the option labeled Copy from the Context drop-down menu. Navigate directly to File System, and then User, and then Share, and then Backgrounds, and open Linux Mint folder. Right-click inside any empty space of that backgrounds directory and select the option labeled Open as Root. Type your administration account password when the privilege checkbox pops up on your screen. Right-click an empty area inside this new root folder layout and select Paste to drop your image into the Secure System folder. Now, click the Linux Mint menu and type Login Window. Open the Login Window Settings utility. Click on the current image next to the background option. Select your pasted image and click Open. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.